Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and check out this Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI electric pressure washer. It says it's got 2.3 gallons per minute, which is pretty good. If you look right over there, my Troy built 2800, 2.3 gallons per minute. I messed around with that thing for about an hour this morning. I couldn't get it to work, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this thing up and we're going to test this out. It sounds like it's pretty good, but I mean, who knows? It's electric, right? But you guys comment down below. Let me know if you tried this thing out, you have this thing, you're gonna purchase this thing. Some people are worried about electric over gas, but I mean, that thing is only a couple years old. I haven't used it since last year, so I mean, I guess it happens, but we got our wand. It comes with 5 tips. It's supposed to be a turbo nozzle, so we'll go ahead and see if we can find that in there, see what happens. All right, so it's got a 25 foot water hose. It's a nice heavy solid. That's a nice gun. I like that. Let's see what else we can find. I guess we got to put this thing together, and there's the turbo nozzle I was talking about. That thing's awesome. So where you're going to use this, see all that mold right there? We're going to use it and see if we can get some of that mold off. Pretty simple. It's a 35 foot extension cord for this thing, so that's awesome. 10-inch wheels, awesome. Nice and sturdy. Those things are pretty heavy. This is actually more heavy duty than my gas pressure washer, to be totally honest with you. That thing's pretty solid. Got some nuts and bolts. We got instructions. And that's about it. Pull this thing out. Kick the box out of the way. Now this is pretty cool because, for one, my favorite color is green, so that's awesome, right? That's pretty cool. It's pretty light. I'm not gonna say it's heavy. It's actually pretty light. That thing's pretty cool looking. I like that. All right, so we got some wheels. We got that. That's easy. That's easy. Let's see. Let's check out the instructions. Yes, guys, I do use instructions. So that's easy, easy, easy. Bang, bang, bang. Assemble the wand. That goes on that side. That goes on there. A couple bolts. Put it in. Pretty good. Simple, right? Let's see, view and purchase online at www.lowes.com/greenworks. I wanted this rotating surface cleaner. They did not have it in stock. I'm going to wind up ordering that. My in-laws are going to need their driveway power wash real soon, so I really want to get that rotating surface cleaner and check that out. There's no doubt about it. But that's pretty cool. By anyway, guys, I forgot to mention this video is not sponsored by Lowe's, and it's definitely not sponsored by Greenworks. But I'll tell you what, I'm real interested in, because on the box it says a 10-year motor guarantee, so that's pretty awesome. I'm going to check that out later and see what we got. So basic screwdriver. What else? Screwdriver. Everything's a screwdriver, guys, so that's real easy. We could definitely do that. That's not a problem. Where'd those instructions go? Alright, so let's start. Here we go. Insert an axle through the wheel and frame of the unit, and then a washer. Alright, so that's pretty simple, right? So we're going to go ahead and take one of these. All right, so through the wheel, right? So simple a caveman can do it, right? Can we say that? Yeah, I can. It's okay. All right, so we're gonna do this. Put that right through there. I'm gonna go back, use one of these bad boys, a little pin. Boom, done. That was tough, right, guys? So we're gonna do this one. Put that through there. Put a washer on for nice movement. Oh, we lost it. So, you know, trying to film these things, guys, and doing this at the same time is all right. We could do it, right? Hold it up. Not too bad. Put that in there. Lift it up again. Put the pin through there. Done. Nice and easy. So now we got wheels. Wheels are good. Oh, this is pretty good. So my neighbor, you guys go back and watch when we installed the door on my neighbor's yard, LJ, he used that other power washer over there, the metal one, and the bottom actually dug into his concrete while he was using it. So that plastic piece is real nice. I guess he could borrow this one now, but he can borrow that one now. He'll be happy with that. All right, so we just put that in there. Why would it go forward? That's the dumbest thing I ever seen. Huh. So look at this. If I put it backwards, angled backwards, these little knobs don't go in there. So look, see, the holes are in the back right there. So I have to put it like this. That one's a little stuck. I'm gonna so this one, that one's a little stuck. Let's see. All right, so here's our first issue with the Greenworks. You guys can see that it's not popping out, so it's not going to stay in. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they bent it a little different. Yeah, it looks like they bent it a little different, so that one might be kind of tough, because once I push it all the way in, it's not gonna shoot out like it's supposed to and lock in place. Let's see. We'll try it. Let's see if we can jam it in there. Nope. See, it's not going to pop out. So that's going to be loose. We'll come back to that. I'm going to submit a complaint about that one. There's no doubt about it. Let's see what happens. But as you guys can see, hopefully that works, you know. All right. So now, oh, so either way, I got this. Let me tell you a little story. I actually got this thing on sale. Pretty good price, actually. And then, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I used my military discount. Worked out real great. So I got this as a pretty good steal, to be honest with you. But we'll figure it out. This is bothering me here. That's bothering me. Maybe we'll figure something out later. All right, so then this is so weird how this doesn't go the right way. I think that's supposed to be angled. Oh, on the box it says it's angled forward. Oh, okay, all right, whatever they say. So this is gonna go in there just like that. Then the back one, let's see. So I'm looking at the picture backwards. So this is gonna go there. The gun's gonna go there. Okay. Alright, so let's try that. So we'll put those in there. That's pretty easy. Just gotta get a screwdriver after I'm done and tighten everything up. Okay. Alright, so that's the gun. Now these, why I have two of them? I don't know. No idea. No idea. Alright, so these four. Alright, so these four are for these. What do these do? They're not going to tell me, are they? What do these do? Oh, okay. Those go in there. Alright, that's simple. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I have no idea. No idea. It shows one on the back, and the picture just shows this going in there, and then this here, like that. Then I gotta get one of these long screws all the way down in there. Alright. That's simple. Okay. Now we're going somewhere. Oh, and then the bottom one. Okay. It just doesn't show it. But that's simple. Alright, I gotta get a screwdriver. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me get a screwdriver. Alright, so we got a screwdriver. Put it in there. Check that out. Line that up. Alright. Yeah, and then you just turn it. Well, you're supposed to be able to turn it, but that loosened up the screw. Huh. Alright, whatever. And the bottom one, that in there, that in there, boom. Attach that one. I used the wrong screw. Yep. Of course I did. Alright, so we'll get the washer in there, get that in there, boom, done. And it's nice, the these actually had some Loctite on them, so that's good. That should hopefully stay there for a long time. Okay. Alright, cool. That works. And then these are just for that back plate. That's it. So usually I would just bust out the drill and zap these things in there, but then you know how you get strip screws and all that other nonsense. So just do this by hand, guys. It's all plastic, so you really don't want to eat it all up. It takes a couple minutes longer to do it by hand, but then you know you're not stripping anything out and stuff like that. So basically that's it. That's putting the machine together, and then we'll go ahead and we'll set up the whole machine. Actually, let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that to pop out. Yeah, that thing's a little busted. I'm not going to take it back over that. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out later. That's fine. But I just want to test this thing out and see how it works. But it's a real nice looking machine, and you're supposed to be able to just flick the switch and do what you got to do. So, all right, we'll be right back. We'll set this thing up, plug it in, put our soap in, and start power washing. See how it goes. Alright, so super simple. I hooked up my hose right to the front here, and then I ran my pressure washing hose to the back, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and put some soap in this thing. I'm just using some Mold Armor house wash. It smells like bleach, so I'm pretty sure I paid like 10 bucks for a bottle of bleach. Alright guys, so super simple. I hooked up my hose to the front. I hooked up my power washing hose to the back, and I put some Mold Armor Easy House Wash in my soap container. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this thing in. We're gonna go ahead and plug this thing in and see how it works, right? Just regular outlet. That's good. It's green, and that's it. So yeah, I put my gun together. It was super simple. Just put the end of the hose right here, and then put this on, and then I'm using the turbo nozzle because we're gonna go ahead and try and see these. In the south, guys, we got this clay and it stains everything, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get that off. We're gonna turn this thing on. Let's see if hopefully it works. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, you guys can hear that. This thing's bogging down. It's like stolen out on me. I got straight hose and everything. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna go ahead and try and get some of this mold off. Let's see. So you guys see it keeps dying down. Yeah, guys, so I mean, you see, I mean, it eats the mold away, there's no doubt about it. We're gonna go ahead and try and get this a little better. Yeah, so it ate the mold up. The bricks are definitely cleaner. We're gonna hit this spot again. Let's see. Yeah, that definitely makes a big difference. This thing works pretty good. I don't know why it's dying down like that. I don't know why it does that. I have no idea. I might return it, I might not. You guys, you know, you make your own decision. I think it's pretty good. I think it definitely works. There's no doubt about it. It took all that mold right off, and I didn't even spray it with a cleaner or anything. It definitely all came off nice and clean. It was getting moldy. This is the back side of the house. As you can see, we never get any sun in this area right here. Up top we do, but right here we don't get it. So we got some mold spots in the lawn and stuff, and the rest of the lawn looks pretty good. This just doesn't really work out too well. So we'll just spray this off to get it all nice and clean. Well, yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. And let me know if you have one of these Greenworks, or you're buying one, or you know, you haven't, you're trying to make up your mind. Definitely let me know. And appreciate you guys watching the video. Hopefully see you on the next one. Stay safe. Thank you.